So if you were looking to italicize part of a title, and the reason you would do that is if you had a title within a title. So maybe the article that you were citing is referring to a primary source or to a novel. So title of the article might be Studies of Henry James' Turn of the Screw. So Turn of the Screw is a title within a title. In that case, you have to apply certain rules to the punctuation of that, and you kind of have to override what Noodletools is doing. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So here is an article about the turn of the screw. And one of the easiest things to do in a Gale database is I can export this citation to Noodletools, and it does help me at least get started. I could easily choose a different project to import it to. When I go back to Noodletools, I'll probably refresh my screen and I find my source. Now look, Turn of the Screw right here, it should be italicized because it's a title within a title, but it's not. So I have to add a special code. So I'm going to go to Edit. This will be a time that I need to check for other things that I might need to adjust as well. Make sure that, notice how it kind of doubles the information. It puts the title in both the anthology section and in the reprinted book section. It should only appear once if it's the exact same title. So I'm going to delete that from the reprint section. So I only need it here. And I have to go to the words Turn of the Screw. So Noodletools has thought it was doing the best thing by putting the lowercase, and it's going to give me an error message, but that's the first part of the title, so that should be capitalized. And then I'm going to use a square bracket and then a closed square bracket with the words title. There should be no space between that closing bracket. Then I'm going to go to the end of the title, and I'm going to put another square bracket and title. And then I'm going to hit save. There are other things I probably would want to check in the citation as well, but for the purposes of this tutorial, I only needed to check that. And so if you'll notice, now the Turn of the Screw is all italicized. And so that would be the same steps for any other time you would have to take care of a title inside of a title.